What's good, guys? It's your boy Sauceware on the beat in the Sauceware channel. Today's video, we're gonna be making a Don Toliver type of sample, then finish it up with a beat. Something similar to Life of a Don, the new album that just dropped, is so good. Like, for instance, the first song is amazing. Like, sounds so good. Like, that album is crazy. Yeah, I'll do a crazy beat. I'll show you guys how I do it from scratch. So let's get straight into it. So for the sample of the Don Toliver beat, I'm gonna use this plugin called Scorch. It's the new one by Sauceware. They sent it to me so I could test it and everything, so I'll use it on this video. So it has sounds and chords, so I'll show you guys how it works. So for instance, right now I'm looking for some like synth key, something like that. So I'm gonna go maybe on Beijing Wayne. I select that, and now it sounds like this. Sounds great, right? I don't know, it's just super cool. So that's one feature you can use straight up the presets, right? Then you can use the chords. So if you go into the chords section, you have a lot of chords to choose from. Now I'm gonna use this Billboard Live Now D Dorian. So whenever you press one key on your keyboard, it's a chord. Fuck, I don't have it on. I'm so stupid. Okay, so with this on and off, you can turn on chords and off chords. So now it should work like this. I like how it sounds. That I just done it and it's just super crazy. So I'm gonna record that. So I'm gonna go like yeah, like 154. Let me record that. Yeah, just done that. Where is it at? Nah, you tripping. Huh? Okay. Yeah, like that. So with one note, you're like making that beautiful chord progression. It's super fire. So it's key sensitive, right? So if you have this turned down on velocity, sounds different than when you have it up, right? So you need to keep that in mind. Then right here you have the ADSR, the attack, decay, sustain, and release, the normal shit. And then you have a lot of like different effect presets, so you don't need to add any effects. Basically, just turn this wheel up and you maybe find something that you like, or you go into the effects tab right here and you mess around with this ones. I'll try both ways, so we'll see. I love that, but I think the sound is really harsh. It has a lot of attack, so I will turn it down with this ADSR. I will turn up the attack. So now it sounds more blend together. I want some sort of a lead sound, so I found this one. With this sound, I make some sort of like arpeggio. Sounds like this. And I'm gonna add effects to that. So I go to the effects panel, then I go on and I turn this on, and these have a lot of like maybe like the stereo field. You can make them more mono. You can make more instances of the sound. You can make the hold go like so. I'll show you. With just messing around with that whole, it changed the whole sound. And also with the fade. So we went from this to this. So you don't need too much. You don't need too much effects with this. So you go to filter, cut a little bit of the height, so you low pass it. So you go to low pass, turn on the filter and the cutoff just a little bit. So we got that. So now I'm at another sound. This sound is gonna be like a higher part. So I'm gonna use these strings. Let me see how it sounds. Whoa! God damn, that sounded like recorded. Sheesh! That's amazing. That's amazing. Alright. Let's copy these over to the strings. Let's see how it sounds. Ooh, that sounds amazing. I didn't expect those strings to sound that cool. God damn. Let's add another sound. We'll try with this one. Alright, that's cool. Let me turn the chords on. Love No, D Dorian. Ooh, I like this part. Ooh, let's yell together. Ooh, this empty part needs something, but this is full. I love it. Let's add more. Like, this is so good. I need to add more. Yeah, I'll use that one, but then I'll mess around with this one. No, the animations, they crazy. All right, let's mess around with this one. That one's great. Let's see. All right, this is what we have so far. Sounds mad. So maybe a piano. This piano sounds cool. All right, let's use this billboard chord. Let's turn it on. Sounds mad. So I'm gonna copy this over right here, but only the first two notes. So this is what the sample that we just made, and let's add drums to it. So this is my interpretation of A Life of a Dawn by Dom Tolliver. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe for more content. It really helps us. And watch out for Scorch. It's gonna be amazing when it drops. Like, this plugin is so amazing. So I leave the beat playing right now, and I'm out.